Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically show you a new tool that I deployed on my website which basically converts PDF documents into Excel files. So let me show you the tool right here. So the tool name is PDF to Excel. So if you just go to the description of this video, I have also given the link here. So this is the actual tool guys. So it has got a really nice interface. We are using Bootstrap for making this interface. So we have a choose file button. So here you will select your PDF file guys. So PDF file containing tables. So we will extract the tables and convert that data into Excel file. So what I will do guys, I will basically select my file here. So it can be anything. Basically it can be a table here. If I open this now, you will see that guys, this is the actual table out there inside this PDF document, and now I will be converting it into Excel file. So what I will do right here, I will select this table file and click on download Excel file. So now what it will do guys, it will basically download the Excel file as an attachment. And now if you see in the Excel file, all the columns names, you will see disability, participants, category, completed. All these things are simply there inside the Excel file. So this is really easy. You can search for basically anything, uh, employees report PDF. So some sort of data which contains any sort of table like structure. We can say employees details table PDF. So we can have any sort of table. So the thing is guys, you need to have some kind of a table. So if you have some kind of table, in that case you will be able to extract the data from the interface. So that data will be converted to an Excel file in that scenario. So you can take anything here. So let's suppose I have this employee data Excel sheet. So I have already a tool available on my website which automatically converts Excel to PDF. This is the reverse process. So if you want to basically convert your employee data to a PDF file, so now guys, if you see, our employee data has been converted to PDF document. So if I need to reverse this process, if I need to now extract the data which is contained inside this PDF document into an Excel file, I can basically do the reverse process. So now the tool, again, we will use this tool now, PDF to Excel. So this time I will select my PDF file and click download Excel file. So this time your Excel file will be created guys. You will see that the same data has been extracted. You will see payroll information, last name, first name, job title, hours, salary, and all these details guys, it is been extracted. You will see it is showing in the Excel file. So I will be showing you this application. So for this application, we are once again using a Python script in the background so that we are calling it inside Node.js Express web application in browser. So we are using a library called as Tabula, and Tabula is a very fantastic library of Python which automatically extract the table from a PDF document. So we will be using this open source library guys, and also we will be using Pandas library. Pandas library is useful for embedding data inside uh, data frames. So this is also necessary for this application. So these two libraries are required guys. So these can be installed very easily. So just go to command line and just install pip install and tabula -py and pandas. So these two libraries we are using guys for this application. So just install this. I have already installed it. So now what we will do guys, we will basically build our application. So apart from that, inside our Node.js application, we do need that uh, project. Inside our project, if you see PDF to Excel, npmi express and Malter. So these two packages are required. Malter is required for uploading the file. So now we can start our Express server. So here guys, first of all, what we will do here, we will basically require the Express server. We will start the Express app on port number 5000. And basically guys, we will make the public directory as static, and these two lines are necessary, which is express.url encoded. So whenever you are working with forms, these are required. Express.json. So also guys, we will also import the Malter library as well. So for Malter, we have used in the previous tutorials as well. Basically, we need to make first of all the storage object telling Malter library where to store all your files. So we will be storing the files inside public/uploads folder. So now just make a public, and inside that make a index.html file, and also make a uploads directory. So here all your input files will be stored. So inside index.html file guys, we will have basically a form which will be able to make a post request encoding type multipart form data. So here we will have an input type file and it will only accept PDF files. And then we will have a button here, a submit button, and the value will be here, export to Excel. So this is actual form guys, and if you just go to your localhost 5000, you will basically see there will be a form here. And now we just need to make this post request. So right here we will basically make PDF to Excel upload. We'll call Malter and pass the storage object. We will only be uploading here single, so we will say dot single file. So for this you need to give it a name attribute to it of file as well. So this name attribute, we are using it right here. And now guys, we have made a Python script which automatically does this process, which imports this Tabula library, and also it uses the Pandas library as well. So we are basically providing a argument, dynamic argument. First argument will be the input PDF file, and the second argument will be the actual output file which will be created by this Python script. So it is present in the same directory, and for calling this Python script guys, we do need to import a module which is called as spawn. And basically child process is a built-in module inside Python, so we need this module. So now what we will do guys, basically we will now write that post request which is PDF to Excel, and here we will use this middleware to actually upload the file. So what we can say here, request response PDF to Excel upload. So if request file is there, in this case guys, now we need to basically create two variables, which is input file path, which is actually the request.file.path, and now the output file path. So in this case we can say date.now for dynamic name, and then output.xlx. And then guys, basically here we will say that, and all the source code guys that I am writing here alongside with the Python script and the directory structure, you can purchase the full source code from stripe.com in Indian rupees or United States dollar at PayPal. All the links are there, so check out the full description. All the links, payment links are given. So here we will basically make a new process guys, which is Python process, and here we will use the spawn module, and inside the spawn module guys, we will actually call the Python script. So here you will say Python inside the single quote, and then inside the square brackets we will pass the actual name of the Python script, app.py, and then followed by the arguments, so input file path and output file path. So here we are provided the arguments, guys. So in this way, guys, you can call a Python script inside Node.js. So it basically contains say events. So when the close event is called, there will be a code which will be generated. So here we will check that if code is equal to 0, in this case your thing is complete. So this event is exit, sorry. So inside this event, guys, we can now download our file response.download output file path. That's all, guys. This is actual code. So in this code we are calling this Python script using spawn module, and then we are listening for this event. When the script is completed, we will download the file as an attachment. So if you just refresh your application now, select a PDF document which contains a table. Let's suppose I select this. Some kind of error is there. Storage is not defined. So sorry, this needs to call storage. So just refresh now. So click on this button, guys. So now you will see your XLX file will be downloaded and all the data will be fetched here, as you can see here. And also you can say here, you can open this here. If you see now, if I select this document here, click export to Excel. So you will see, guys, basically now it will create two sheets here, two sheets of data, because inside our PDF document it contains two pages. So for each page basically it creates one sheet. So if you don't know about Microsoft Excel, guys, in Microsoft Excel the sheet is basically one page. So it contains two pages, that's why it splitted the information into two sheets. This is the first sheet and rest of the other information is available in the next sheet. So this is a very good automation tool, guys. So in many companies people need this tool, such as to extract the tables or extract the tabular data in PDF document and export that to Excel. This is a great tool. You can go to my website, the link is given. Try out the live demo. It is hosted on freemediatools.com/pdf to Excel. The link is given in the description, and then you can purchase it if you like it. You can also deploy this tool on your own website as well to earn a lot of money as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. I will be seeing you in the next video.